People are making real money with AI right now, and most people are already falling behind. Welcome to the Tech Show. If you are new here, subscribe for more AI tools and online income ideas. People are using ChatGPT to write content and earn online. Creators are building faceless YouTube channels using Pictory and 11 Labs. Designers are creating thumbnails and ads with Canva and getting paid by businesses. Some freelancers are using Durable to create websites in minutes and sell them to clients. AI is changing the way people work, create, and make money. The biggest mistake right now is ignoring it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Tech Show for more powerful AI content.